What's up, folks? Hope you're enjoying your Black Friday weekend. Just wanted to do a product highlight showcase for our Black Friday sale we have going on. This bad boy right here, it's going to go in King Twins, is the new KC Stage 2 dual ball bearing turbocharger. Take a look at that. Yep, I'm not going to take it all apart. That being said, this turbo is rated for 650 horsepower with proper supporting mods. Obviously, that's going to be fuel and air and everything else that you're going to need. This dual ball bearing turbocharger is probably the baddest turbo on the market, in my opinion. Best way to put it, imagine the spool up of a Stage 1 with the power of a Stage 3 turbocharger. That's freaking badass. Another awesome part about this is this weekend only, this is 15% off on our website, blessperformance.com. 15% off. You're not going to beat that pricing, so head on over to the website and get one ordered up today.